Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will tell you how to change lock screen clock on the Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. Let's begin by unlocking the phone and then heading into Settings. In the Settings, you want to scroll down and go to, for example, Home Screen. Oh, I'm sorry, not home screen, but Wallpaper and Style. In Wallpaper and Style, we want to head into our lock screen. It's on the left. Now we want to click our clock, and we can change the clock to a different style. For example, we can change the font, and some fonts can also be modified using the thin or thick bar, just like that, and we can also modify its color. And lastly, we can also change its style to a different one. For example, something like this, or maybe something fancy like this one. And after we are done with our changes, all we have to do is simply hit done, and now we have a different clock on our lock screen. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.